3, go. Now I'm going to come closer and you get to see my fingers. We start on A string, so have your bow ready on A string. First finger ready on E. Third finger also get ready, and I'll show you why. Then you go over to A string with all 3 fingers ready. 1, 2, 3, all going down at once. With 1 and 2, little bit space. 2 and 3, hardly any space. Place them all down and lift them one at a time. Now E string, same thing, all 3 down. Once again. Now, like the beginning. Can we try once more together? 1, 2, 3, go. Now, in the same way, you can start with A string. Then you can hear the song a little warmer, and maybe the star is a little brighter. 1, 2, and 3 down. Now, can you try to start on G string and hear what that sounds like? That would be a little lower than what we already played. Alright? And then you can tell me how that sounds. See if you like that Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with a lot lower voice. Alright, I'll see you next time. Happy practicing. Bye.